Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divanu Sosoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to fit an image into the background. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So on this video here, I'm going to use the gradient tool to fit the image into the background. So what I'm going to do first, I need to create a layer mask on this layer 1 here, which I'm going to come right to this icon right here. So I'll just click that. Once I've clicked on this icon, so I have successfully added a layer mask to it. So make sure you select your image and just the subject is on this layer right here. So what next I'm going to do, I'll come to the gradient tool. So when I get to the gradient tool, and I will come right here and I'll click on it. So it will take me to the gradient editor, which I'm going to click on the basics here. So after opening the basics, I'll click on this second one, which says foreground to transparent. Sorry guys. So after doing that, make sure you change this color right here to black, which is black here. So once I'm done, I'll now hit OK. So after hitting OK, I'll come to the image. So I'll now take this to right to the bottom of this layer right here, which is here. So I'll now take it up. So you can now see the effect is adding. So I'll just keep on doing the same, repeating the same process till when I get the actual result which I want. So that's when I'll stop. So this is how I got to fed this image into the background. So I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos coming. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye.